Hello. In case you don't know who I am Professor Martin, your instructor for this course. At this point, all of you should have completed the syllabus quiz, the Chapter 1 study guide, and also introduced yourselves on the introduction discussion board. We are now in class session 2. In this class session, you will become familiar with how the brain works, along with the nervous system and genetics, as well as how these play out on human behavior. Although we are only in class session 2, this is perhaps the most important section, as this class session lays the groundwork for everything else that is to follow. For example, subsequent chapters will discuss basic biological concepts such as neurotransmitters and lobes, or different areas of the brain. By the due date for this class session, you should have read Chapter 2 of your textbook. You should have reviewed Chapter 2, the Chapter 2 PowerPoint study guide, and you should also have completed the Chapter 2 study quiz, as well as the Chapter 2 discussion board. For those of you who have not had a chance to attain your textbooks yet, please know that Chapter 2 is provided in PDF form in class session 2, and also be advised that this is the last electronic chapter that Ivy Tech is able to provide. So it is imperative that you get your textbook as soon as possible. By the end of this class session, students should be able to identify and differentiate various theories and views of psychology. You should also be able to basically understand different functions of the structures and systems of the nervous system, and synaptic communication and types of neurotransmitters. You should gain a basic understanding of the hindbrain, the midbrain, and the forebrain, as well as the limbic system, the structure and lobes of the cerebral cortex, and the hemispheric differences and brain plasticity. That was a mouthful. At the end of this class session, students should also have a basic understanding of genetics and psychology, as I pointed out earlier, and you should understand the differences between the genotype and the phenotype. Additionally, students ought to be able to show a basic knowledge of research methods. If you have any questions, please post your questions in the provided area in Blackboard in class session 2, and please post these questions by Thursday so that I have an opportunity to answer your question before the class session is actually due. So thank you, and I'll let you get to it.